Now let's see about the aggregate function in a SQL. So we have a few aggregate function like sum, average, count, mean, max. So how actually we can use a aggregate function in SQL that we are going to see. So we have a few question. Based on the question, let's try to use a aggregate function. So I have on this table, this select star from EMPL. If I show you, I have this table. I have ID, name, salary, location and department. My first question is like, from this table, suppose if you had to find out the maximum salary of employee from this table, how actually you can find out. So you can see what is the maximum salary of employee from this table. You can see this is the maximum salary, right? So how actually we can find out. Suppose in this case I have 4 records, so I am directly able to get that, right? This is the highest salary. But suppose you have a millions of record, and from there if you have to find out what is the maximum salary of employees, so how actually you can do that. For that we can write a query. So it's very simple. What we have to write, select max. We are using a highest, means we will use a max function. Column is salary, maximum salary from EMPL table. It's very simple, right? Select maximum salary from EMPL table. If you will execute this, you can see this is the highest salary, maximum salary, right? This is the highest salary which we are getting with this query. And suppose if you had to find out the minimum salary, lowest salary of employee, what actually you can write, min. Select minimum salary from EMPL table. If you will write this, you will get the minimum salary of employee. What is the minimum salary? 6 lakhs. This is the minimum salary, right? If I'll show you in the table, you can see this is the minimum which we are getting. What is the total salary of employee? Means you had to sum of this all salary. What is the total salary? How actually we can find out? Select sum of salary from EMPL. If I'll do this, I'll get the total salary of employee. You can see this is the total salary of employee. If you will sum up all this, you will get this many record. Now we have to find out what is the find the total number of employee we have. How many employee we have, that you have to find out. So to find out how many employee you have, we have a count. With the help of the count we can find out. So what I will use, count ID from EMPL. So what actually I am doing, I am just counting the ID of employee from the EMPL table. If I will show you, you can see we have a 4 employee. So we have a 4 employee in this particular table. You can see this is the 4 that we are getting. Now if you have to find out the average salary of employee, how actually you can find out? Select average salary of from EMPL table. From EMPL table. If I'll select and if I'll execute this, I'll get the average salary. You can see this is the average salary we have from this table. From this table, this is the average salary. So like that actually we can use the aggregate function. This aggregate function is very much useful for the data analysis or for the analysis perspective. I hope you got the idea.